Okay guys, this is theeverettstout, and today I'm gonna show you how to take apart this little guy. Cause mine got, this is the iPod Touch, 16 gigabyte, and mine got fried charger. So yeah, I was trying to take it apart to see. That's how I figured it out. So look, you slide the knife under here. I take you out, but eventually you get it under. See it? Make sure Journey is going, please. And then you slide it under, and then just lift this up. And see? Right there where mine's fried. It's all black. But see that since I figured that out, I'm like, oh, can't fix that. Let's put some cash. So then if you slide the knife right over here, Johnny, pay attention. Right over here, you slide the knife in, which I already have. And it'll come off the screen. That is dangerous to mess with, man. But anyway, that's how you take it apart to this point. I haven't taken it apart no more, so good luck.